Hello everyone, I am Raut sir. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the English workshop and warming up questions from Standard 9, the lesson Necklace, unit number 1.5. So let us learn the margin questions firstly from part 1. Question number first. Why was Mathilde married to a minor official? Answer. Because of her ill fate and born in a family of clerks. Why did Mathilde weep with misery after visiting for schoolmates? Because of she couldn't get the riches and the luxurious life in which the schoolmate was realizing. What did the envelope hold? The envelope held an invitation from the Minister of Education and Madame Georges to Mr. and Mrs. Loisel. What's the husband of considerate person? How do we in know that? Answer. Yes, he was a really very considerate person, though his wife was obstinate and stubborn. Next question. 5 was Mathilde sad, restless, and anxious, though her dress was ready. Answer. Because she had no jewels, she had not a single precious stone to wear. She almost had decided not to go to the party. Next question. What did Madame Forestier large box contain? Bracelets, necklaces, and other jewelry. Next question. Which sentences tells us that Mathilde greatly desired the necklace? Answer. The sentences. इथे 3 वाक्य दिलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट सेंटेन्स पहा. Her heart began to beat with uncontrolled desire. Her hands trembled as she took it. She stood lost in ecstasy as she looked at herself in the mirror. Next question. Why did Mathilde not notice the loss of her necklace? Answer. According to me, she was thinking only about the triumph of a beauty and success in the party. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, now part 2. What was the arrangement with the jeweler? Do you think it was fair? Answer. Yes, I think the arrangement was fair. The jeweler would take the necklace lost, which is lost, back for 34,000 if the other necklace was found before the end of the February. Who is Madame Loisel? मॅडम किंवा माधम, तुम्ही दोन्हीपैकी काही उच्चार करू शकता की माधम लॉयझेल इज मॅथेल्डी. व्हाय डज मॅडम फॉरेस्टियर स्पीक कोल्डली टू मॅथेल्डी? बाय स्पीकिंग कोल्डली, Madame Forestier expressed her anger and displeasure because it is the usual traditional to return the borrowed things immediately after the work is done. Next question. What is meant by the horrible life of the very poor? Answer. The horrible life of the poor means a very tiring, bad, unpleasant, and painful life. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, now we are going to learn the warming up activities from chit chat. Do you like jewelry and ornaments? Yes, I like jewelry and ornaments. Do you like to dress up for special occasions? How do you do that? Yes, I like to dress up and wearing new clothes for special occasions. What makes a person happy and confident during special functions and parties? Answer. According to me, when a person participates confidently during special functions, parties, and interacting with people, makes a person happy and confident. Talking about myself. आता नेक्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटीज आहे पहा. राईट अ फ्यू लाईन्स अबाउट युअर सेल्फ. युअर नेम, appearance, family, the place where you live, your school, your friends, neighbors, relatives, your likes, dislikes, hobbies, what you are good at, etc. Now create an imaginary persona for yourself. It should be quite different from your real life, or you may choose a fictional character, a character from a novel, story, etc. Write a few lines about this imaginary persona and introduce yourself in that role. Real life. Hi, I am Riddhi. I am tall and physically fit. I live with my parents and younger brother in Thane. I have completed graduation recently. My best friend's name is Siddhi. My favorite dish is Puran Podi. I like listening to music and play the harmonium. Now you can take the screenshot. ओके, आता इथे इमॅजिनरी पर्सोना. तर ह्याचा अर्थ काय आहे? तर पर्सोना इट इज अ नाउन, द पार्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन्स कॅरेक्टर दॅट दे रिव्हील टू अदर पीपल, एस्पेशली when their real character is very different. Then next conversation. Hi, I am Rakesh. I like pistol shooting. I simply love stunts and fights. I enjoy playing different types of games. I don't like people who trouble common people. I hate crimes and injustice caused to innocent people. Then I find exercises, combats very interesting. I can do any impossible things in the world. I am good at every difficult or hard work. Then next activities, a turn by turn story. Form groups of 6-8. One person chooses any familiar object and announces its names in the group. All the other talk about it one by one, adding one complete sentence at a time. The person who has chosen the object takes down all the sentences. After 2-3 rounds, read the sentences together and try to build a story around them. म्हणजे इथे काय करायचं आहे की एखादे एक वाक्य सांगितलं स्टोरीचं, तर दुसऱ्याने लगेच त्याच्या पुढचं वाक्य कंटिन्यू करायचं, तिसऱ्याने त्याच्या पुढचं वाक्य कंटिन्यू करायचं आणि शेवटी सर्व वाक्य एकत्र लिहायची. म्हणजेच काय होईल? आपली स्टोरी तयार होईल. नाव यू कॅन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके, देन इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप पार्ट 1. रीड ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस अलाउड. राईट हू सेड इट अँड टू whom. म्हणजे कोण कोणास म्हणालं हे आपल्याला इथे लिहायचं आहे. फर्स्ट, look, here's something for you. Moisture loyal to Mathilde. Why? The dress you go to the theater in. Moisture loyal to Mathilde. I would rather not to go to the party. By Mathilde to Monsieur Loisel. Choose my dress. Madame Forestier to Mathilde. Then next, you have nothing else. Mathilde to Madame Forestier. Would you lend me this? Just this. Mathilde to Madame Forestier. What? How? That's impossible. Monsieur Loisel to Mathilde. Then next question. Read the conversation in the story aloud using proper intonation. Read yourself. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, next question. Question number third. Write a few lines about what Mathilde had and what she dreamed about. Answer. Mathilde lived in a shabby, poorly furnished house. She had plain dresses and no jewels as it was difficult to afford better things. She dreamed of a grand palatial mansion with many rooms and inviting smaller rooms for perfumed afternoon chats with close friends. She wanted to be invited and sought after. Next question number 4. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. म्हणजे मॅथिल्डीच्या ॲक्शन्सविषयी आणि विचाराविषयी तुम्ही काय विचार करतात. फर्स्ट, Mathilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Mathilde thought of herself to be entitled to all the luxurious in life. As she was beautiful, this luxurious could be provided only by an aristocrat. In my opinion, she could have tried to be happy with her life after than longing for materialistic pleasures. Next, B. Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxurious. Answer. She thought any luxurious that she must be rich. She dreamed of mansions and vast rooms, halls and jewels, but did not have any of that. I think that Mathilde could have been happier if she focused on the positive things in her life, like a loving husband. You can take the screenshot now. Next, C. Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Answer. Mathilde married a minor official of the Ministry of Education who could only afford a simple house. Since her expectations were high, she felt that the house was shabby and poorly furnished. According to me, Mathilde shouldn't have looked at her house this way. She could have decorated her house with handmade objects to make it look more beautiful. Next, D. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her because she had a sense of being better than she wanted to have luxurious, and others wanted to show off her possessions to others. I think Mathilde should have wished to be respected instead of envied. Next, E. Mathilde was not happy to see the invitation. Answer. Because she did not have a good dress or beautiful and expensive ornaments to wear. She wanted to look good and hence she was dressed. According to me, Mathilde should have thought about how big a deal the invitation was for her loving husband. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, F. Mathilde wanted a new dress for herself. Answer. She wanted to enjoy the party and hence she wanted to look pretty. She felt that she would look plain in comparison to others. She wanted to enjoy the party and hence she wanted to look pretty. She felt that she would look plain in comparison to other women in the ball, and so she wanted a new and beautiful dress. In my opinion, Mathilde could have bought a new dress, but it could have been less expensive. G. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. Answer. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend because she did not have any jewelry to wear with her new dress. In my opinion, she couldn't just own the dress since she was naturally beautiful. She did not need any jewel to enhance her beauty. H. Mathilde lost the necklace. Mathilde lost the necklace in the party or on the way back home. She was grand success at the party. No one looked as pretty and charming as her, but in her glory, she became careless and did not notice that her necklace was missing. I think Mathilde shouldn't have been more careful, especially since the necklace belonged to her friend. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, next 5. Prepare a formal invitation using the following format. तर इथे आपल्याला फॉर्मॅट दिलेला आहे आणि त्या फॉर्मॅटचा आधारे आपल्याला इन्व्हिटेशन तयार करायचं आहे. तर हे फॉर्मॅट पहा इथे दिलेलं आहे. मिस्टर अँड मिसेस डॉट डॉट सॉलिसिट रिक्वेस्ट द प्लेजर ऑफ युअर कंपनी ऑन द अकेजन्स ऑफ द. तर आता आन्सर्स पहा आपण इन्व्हिटेशन कसं बनवलेलं आहे की आन्सर मिस्टर अँड मिसेस राम वासवानी रिक्वेस्ट द प्लेजर ऑफ युअर कंपनी. त्याच्यानंतर सेकंड आहे ऑन द अकेजन ऑफ द 25th ॲनिव्हर्सरी ऑफ दिअर वेडिंग ऑन फ्रायडे 15 डिसेंबर 2020. नेक्स्ट आहे वेन्यू आहे राकेश हॉल PD रोड डोंबिवली वेस्ट. टायमिंग 10 PM ऑनवर्ड्स. द ड्रेस कोड फॉर द इव्हिनिंग इज पिंक फॉर द लेडीज अँड ब्लॅक फॉर द जेंटल. तर मुलांना इथे गोष्ट लक्षात घ्या, नावं तुम्ही तुमचं स्वतःचंही लिहू शकता किंवा तुम्ही तुमच्या म्हणजे पसंतीने कोणाचीही नावं लिहू शकतात आणि अशा पद्धतीने इन्व्हिटेशन कार्ड डेकोरेटसुद्धा करायचं आहे आणि लिहायचं आहे. ओके. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी. रीड द फ्रेजेस. द नेकलेस अँड एरर ऑल दीज थिंग्स अनदर वुमन वन इव्हिनिंग हर हजबंड. इन ऑल these phrases we'll see some words used before the nouns. तर ह्या फ्रेजेसमध्ये आपल्याला काय लक्षात येतं आहे तर नाउनच्या अगोदर सम वर्ड्स यूज बिफोर द नाउन्स म्हणजे काही शब्द आपल्या नामाच्या अगोदर लिहिलेले आहेत. पहा. द स्पेसिफाय टू ऑर मेक इट क्लिअर व्हॉट नाउन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. दीज वर्ड्स दॅट आर यूज्ड ॲट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ नाउन फ्रेज आर नोन ॲज डिटरमायनर्स. म्हणजे डिटरमायनर्स कशाला बोलायचं तर की द स्पेसिफाय ऑर मेक इट क्लिअर व्हॉट नाउन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. दीज वर्ड्स दॅट आर यूज ॲट द बिगिनिंग म्हणजे असे शब्द सुरुवातीला लिहिलेले असतात की ऑफ अ नाउन फ्रेज आर नोन ॲज आणि अशा नाउन फ्रेजलाच आपण काय बोलायचं आहे डिटरमायनर्स. तर डिटरमायनर्स इन्क्लूड्स आर्टिकल्स म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये काय इन्क्लूड केलं जातं आर्टिकल म्हणजे ए अँड दी. पॉसेसिव्ह प्रोनाउन्स माय अवर युअर हर एटसेट्रा. वर्ड्स लाईक दिस दॅट मच मेनी ऑल अँड नंबर्स. आन्सर रीड केअरफुली अँड ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड अबाउट द डिटरमाइन्स. तर आपल्या पुस्तकामध्येच दिलेला काळजीपूर्वक वाचा आणि डिटरमाइन्स विषयी माहिती घ्या. नाव यू कॅन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके. आता पार्ट सेकंड. आन्सर्स आर गिवन डायरेक्टली. आय टच इट इन द हॉल ॲट द मिनिस्ट्री. आन्सर मॅथेल्डी टू हर हजबंड वेन ही आस्क्ड हर टिप्सी हॅड इट वेन सी लेफ्ट द हॉल. नेक्स्ट. इट विल गिव्ह अस टाईम टू लुक सम मोर. Mr. Loisel to Mathilde when he told Mathilde to write to her friend. I might have needed it. Madame Forestier to Mathilde when Mathilde returned the necklace. Next D. You must have made a mistake. Madame Forestier to Mathilde when Mathilde addressed her so familiarly. Next E. Well, I lost it. Mathilde to Madame Forestier when Mathilde reminded her about the necklace. Next, mine was an imitation. Madame Forestier to Mathilde when Forestier told Mathilde its real cost. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, then now third question. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions to Mathilde. First, Mathilde was shocked, despaired over the loss of her necklace. Answer: I think her reactions to the loss of her necklace was natural, but she herself was responsible for the tragedy. Her stubborn behavior is to be blamed for the loss. B. Mathilde wrote a note to her friend as dictated by her husband. The couple both couldn't find the lost necklace even after a long search. They expected to find it someday. For that, they needed some more time, and Mathilde was compelled to write the false letters to her friend. Her actions of telling lies and betraying her friend was immoral and ridiculous. See, Mathilde and her husband decided to replace the necklace. Answer: according to me, that their decision of replacing the necklace was immature and insincere. Instead, they should have clearly and openly told Madame Forestier about the incident. It could have saved them from the horrible life that they had to face and the dreadful debt they had to pay. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay. D. Mathilde returned the diamond necklace to her friend. Answer: according to me, it was her moral responsibility to return the borrowed diamond necklace immediately after the party day, but she delayed. She did so to hide the fact that she had lost the diamond necklace. Her negligence made her to make one more wrong. E. Mathilde did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. Answer: it was another big mistake she committed. It was her thoughtless actions. Had she told her friend about the loss of the necklace, further ruinous incidents wouldn't have occurred and the remedy for the problem would have been very simple and easy. Next, E. Mathilde worked very hard to pay the debt. Mathilde's actions shows that she was a completely transformed woman. She had changed her attitude towards her lifestyle. She forgot her dreams of living a luxurious life. She worked hard and saved money for repaying the debt. She felt duty bound for coming out of the devastating situation. She was responsible for all that situations. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, then next question. G. Mathilde and her husband paid off the debt in 10 years. The income of Mathilde's husband was merged, so both of them worked very hard for 10 long years to save money for repaying the debt. They curtailed their needs severely. Her husband worked extra to ease the burden of debt. Somehow, they faced the worst together bravely and sincerely. H. Mathilde told her friend about the lost necklace. Answer: Mathilde was now a relieved person. Though it was her fault, she must have thought that she should tell the truth to her friend and tell her how she struggled for 10 long years that made her look old. Next, question number 4. Form pairs discuss how part second of the story could have been different. Write your story line in the form of bullets showing the main events. Answer: the cabman who dropped them at their door found the necklace after 2 days, while cleaning his cab behind the space of the seats fallen from the gaps of the seats. Remembered the lady wearing the necklace was an honest and God-fearing man. Went to their house, handed over the necklace to them. It could have changed the whole story. Note, question number 5 and question number 6, students try to write their own sentences. Now you can take the screenshot. Okay, if you understand this video, then press like button. Any difficulties, suggestions, comment in comment box. Share this video to everyone. Make sure you have subscribed the channel and press bell icon to get notification of the next videos. Thank you.